What's up guys, it's Symonne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a very super fun, awesome video. Today I'm going to Palm Springs with the squad. We're going to like a helicopter, like private airport thing. It's gonna be so cool. We're gonna see helicopters, jets. We have this really cool house out there, and I'm so excited for you guys to come along, and we might even spend the night there, which would be pretty cool to just get out of the house, you know. But before we get into the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. And yes, you're currently on my balcony, and I'm not talking very loud because it's currently 7 a.m. Yeah. Alright, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, I just got in the car. I got my pillow. I got my blanket. I'm probably gonna sleep because I'm super tired, but we have over like almost a 3-hour car drive. So it's gonna be fun, and I can't wait to take you guys along. Our trunk looks like that, and we're about to pick up our friend Connor. So yeah, they live really close to us, so we still need to pack their stuff in the car, but it's gonna be super fun, and I'll show you a little bit of the road and keep you guys updated.
Mama, I'm trying to film my vlog. Why would you interrupt me?
Alright guys, I'm with Connor. It's really bad lighting right now.
Wait, hold up, I got it. Hey guys, how's it going? So it's me, your up close and personal vlogger here. We got it, okay.
Alright, so basically we're really bored, so we're gonna go live.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
I thought we were gonna do McDonald's. I feel like McDonald's would be a better alternative.
It's 8:30 a.m. right now.
Oh yeah, so they only have breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah, we ain't going unless we get chicken nuggies. Alright, well,
we're gonna
see you
go
guys.
live, and we'll show you guys a little bit of the live. And
Oh, we will?
We're also, yes, we will. And we're also having a jam sesh. And
Oh, we are?
Yes, Alright, we're live right now.
Should we guess people, or do we have enough interwebs?
No, let's guess some people.
Yo!
Hi!
It's Miley, what's up? Do you have a good...
Hi!
Hey!
Hi, how are you?
Hola!
I'm doing well. How are you?
I love you, Symonne. No, I'm pretty sure they meant Connor.
No, it's me. Hi, I love you too.
Oh, the same person said I love you, Connor.
Oh, okay.
Let's go!
Free vanilla.
It should have been, yeah.
Okay.
Did you need more?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just got Starbucks, and we're about to get to the house, and I'm super excited. Connor does not like his tray.
Do 5. What about your?
Alright guys, we just got to the house. Here's the front area. It's really like pretty. It's beautiful out here. I love the view. But here's like the front area. It's really pretty with the setup of the house. Here's the front door. You can see myself. Here's the house. Look how pretty that is. Here's like the first area of the house. They have really pretty like windows and everything. You can see myself. Here's the first area, like view. I love the mountains. It's so beautiful. There's all the palms. That's why it's called Palm Springs. But yeah, the pool is absolutely amazing. It's a infinity pool. I love like all the rocks and everything. It's like very deserty, which was the opposite of last time we went. If you haven't seen my Malibu video, make sure to go watch it. We went to Malibu with the squad, and it was super pretty. But yeah, this is completely different, literally the opposite. Okay, then here's like the outside of the house. I like this roof. It's like very like abstract, like the different parts of the house. Here's like a little fire pit, and it's gonna be super fun because all the squad is here. And yeah, we're gonna have a blast. The inside's beautiful, and I'll show you more once they're done taking photos, but I can't wait to have such a fun day with the squad. Here's some of the setup. There's a lot of shoes and glasses and everything, and that's the outside. Hi guys! We're here at Palm Springs right now. The pool is so pretty. We just love this view, and we're gonna go and take some photos.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Sawyer's YouTube channel.
This isn't your YouTube channel.
What?
It's not.
Wait, this isn't my YouTube channel?
It's Symonne's, guys.
Wait, who's Symonne?
I'm eating a donut.
It's not a
guys, I just got my makeup done and we're about to start my hair, and I have Harper here and she looks absolutely gorgeous.
So this is maybe my 4th outfit today. I really love it. Super cute, super neon, and can't believe how many photos I've taken so far. Like,
I know, it's only like 11.
yeah, it's actually crazy. I woke up at 6:30 today.
That's fun.
It's really amazing.
What we do for photos. Oh, there she goes.
Summertime.
Alright guys, here's my first look. I love my hair. This outfit is super cute and I can't wait to take some fun photos. It's currently 109 degrees here, which is super hot, but I've never really been in the desert before, so it's gonna be super fun, and I'll show you some behind the scenes of my photos. Here's my 3rd outfit of the day. I'm about to fix my hair, but I love these earrings and it's super hot outside, so we are sweating a little bit. But I don't know how many more photos we're gonna take before we head over to the jet helicopter area. It's gonna be so much fun, and I'll show you some of the spots. Alright guys, I'm with Sawyer now.
Hey guys, what's up? We're in the desert and it's very deserty. It's super hot. The only thing that's keeping me going is being able to jump in that pool.
I know, I can't wait to get in the pool. It looks so nice. Yeah, it's really pretty, very hot. And how many looks have you done so far?
I don't count. I think like a couple.
A couple. Yeah, but I'm super excited to get in the pool later. And yeah, we'll catch you guys up later.
Also, one more thing. Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day.
Also, there's an American flag.
Oh yeah, that's so cute. It's Memorial Day when we're filming this. Alright guys, I'm in another outfit. I love my hair like this. This outfit is super cute. It is very hot outside. I think we're gonna go to a different location very soon, but it's also very pretty. It's also very pretty. I can't wait to see the photos, and Cambrie's amazing doing my hair and makeup, and everyone is having so much fun. And yeah, I'll catch you guys up in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm doing new makeup for the new location, and it's awesome because I get to keep mom doing my makeup. And yeah, Cambrie's amazing, and I can't wait to see the photos. They gotta come out really quick.
She's doing amazing.
Alright, here's my makeup. It's very smoky eye-ish, and now we're gonna start my hair. I think it's like some kind of mohawk, so it's gonna be super cool. Alright guys, now we're about to head to the airport. Here's our looks. I'm obsessed with my hair and makeup and my outfit. Everyone's matching. It's super cute, and I can't wait to take some awesome photos. What's up with your hair, dude?
What?
What's up with your hair?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, this is how Lev always wears his hair.
Oh, my bad. New
The dry hair
style.
is edited in.
Oh, okay, got you. Okay, so my feet really hurt. I've been in these shoes for a while, and my feet are really burning. So I think Connor should give me a piggyback ride back.
I'm not gonna. Why?
My feet hurt.
Fine.
You what? We cried. Alright guys, we forgot to film an intro, so it's the next day. Alright guys, it's currently the next day because we forgot to film an outro, but I just hit 500K on Instagram. Thank you guys so much! And all of you guys, we love you so much. And we got it on Piper's live stream, so make sure to go roll the clip. Oh my God! 10 seconds! Everybody!
Did she hit it? They didn't even tell me. Wait, she hit it?
Yes!
Oh my God, congratulations!
Thank you guys for watching this fun video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
Oh my gosh, Symonne. on, this was it when you were saying.
Post notifications!